This model kit review is of the Revell F-86 Sabre, and this is a completed model that I have made. It's an intermediate level model. It has a reasonable level of detail. Here we have our little figure, and he's been painted out as well as weathered with some line wash. This model comes with a open machine gun panel, so they have the 3 guns on each side, and here you can see the guns. When you're putting the decals on, you need to make sure that you cut them to be able to get the decals to sit in the correct way. So what I do is I actually put it on there and put the panel closed, put the decal on, and then used a very thin razor blade to cut it and then reopen the panel. They do have some very nice decals with a lot of detail on them, as you can see there. In addition, you also have the brake lines that are open, the air brakes. I chose to have the flaps down. You can have them straight or halfway down. The one thing I do not like about the model is the fact that the air intake has a solid cap in the front. Don't like that. And these yellow decals are a little hard to place. The exhaust also has a solid cap in the back. And we have here our wheel wells. Not a huge amount of detail there. Nose wheel well does have some detail. And there are 2 decal sets that you can choose to do. And I chose this one. It has the traditional yellow lines on it. And here is the cockpit. And this cockpit does move forward and backward. You can see some of the details there painted on the inside. And here's the let's see if I can show you. Here's the instrument panel. So all in all, a very easy model to put together. It's got a reasonable level of detail, and a fairly nice result at the end. You can see here our side lights. And it comes with a little guy that you can glue or stick or leave somewhere. These are the instructions for the F-86 Sabrejet, and this is the kit from Revell. Here's some details about the plane. There's the color guide and the key for the instructions. So we start off with the cockpit. And we put that inside the fuselage. Fuselage then put together along with our rear exhaust. We put our wings, the flaps on there. Don't forget to cut these holes out from the mounting holes. Wings then put on the bottom, and it's mounted to the fuselage. Next, the landing gear is put together, and those are mounted. Shows you how the wheel well balls go on. And this is our nose gear, and that's then added. The wheel well is put in place then, and that's then mounted along with our nose air intake. We have our fuel tanks here, and those are put on the pylons, and then our cockpit canopy. Now you can have the gun door open, which I chose to have. You can paint those machine guns You've got your air brakes that can open as well. There's our pilot. So here is the painting and decal guide. And there's the other one. And then there's the from above and below. So it's all in all intermediate level model, some level of detail, fairly good, easy to put together.